The air intake housing is held down by two metal clamps. Just simply pull it down to unlock it. Gently slide out the plastic tabs. There you can see the air intake filter. It may not be dirty enough, but it's better to replace it every time you change your engine oil. Here is the new air intake filter. You can see the difference of the color of the filter. Gently put the new air intake filter. Make sure that the filter is seated properly. Reinsert those two plastic tabs. And lock those two clamps. Now the job is done. Here's a closer view of the old air intake filter. Be sure to dispose it properly. I hope you find this video helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much and God bless.